Okay, so we're looking at Minitest 30 and we're in question 3. So we're given a diagram, we're told the resultant moment and we've got a missing length to find. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Right, okay, so let's sketch this out and label everything on. So I've got 10 Newton force upwards at the very end. I'm taking moments about P, which is at the other end. I've got 5 newtons up and 8 newtons down. And they're all perpendicular, so that's handy. You don't have to worry about any trig or anything. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. Okay, so for moments, then if I'm calculating moments about P, I need distances. And just be careful because you need the distances from P. Yeah, we're talking moments about P. So the... Okay, I'm not quite sure what I did there. I'm just going to go back to the diagram we want. Okay, so if I'm doing distances from P, the 5 Newton force is X meters from P. That's what I'm trying to find. The 8 Newton force is, well, so if that's 4x, then the total distance of the 8 Newton force is 4x plus x. So 5x, and then the 10 Newton force is, so 3x plus 4x plus x, so 8x. Okay, so they're all the total distances. And I know that the resultant moment is 135 clockwise. So like I did for question 2, I'm going to take clockwise as positive and anti-clockwise as negative. That seems the sensible way to go. So if we're taking, so let's take moments about P. So which of those are going to be trying to turn it clockwise? Well, the 5 Newton forces, that's going to be pulling, if I've got a pivot at P and that's pulling up, that's going to be trying to turn the whole thing clockwise. So in fact, let's label the colour I not use. Colour, okay, so that's going to be turning it clockwise. And then by the same logic, so is the 10 Newton force. So they're both going to be causing clockwise moments. So that's going to be a 5 Newton force times the distance of x plus a 10 Newton force times the distance of 8x. And then the 8 Newton force pulling down. So if you're pulling down to the left of P, that's going to be trying to turn the whole thing anti-clockwise. So to show that it's anti-clockwise, I'm going to make that a negative moment. So that's going to be a force of 8 newtons times the distance of 5x. And I know that the resultant moment is 135 clockwise. So if I'm taking clockwise as positive, that should all equal 135. Okay, so let's tidy that all up. So I've got 5x plus 80x minus 40x. So the left-hand side simplifies to 45x. And then I'm going to do 135 divided by 45 to get x is 3 meters. Okay, job done.